Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
We've been held hostage enough by criminals in this country. We've been held hostage enough by incompetent thugs who are masquerading as government ministers, as members of parliament, as MECs, as MMCs, as public representatives, who are actually putting themselves on lists without even checking whether they are qualified to be on those lists. There are people in parliament who can read a balance sheet, who can read a management account statement from a government department, who don't know what a debit and a credit is, but they are MPs. We can't have that nonsense. We cannot be held hostage by an unaccountable government. This government is unaccountable. In fact, it's a mafia government. They can't go to a cabinet meeting and unilaterally decide to make us pay for things that we cannot afford.
Ivideo namuhla siyiqale kwelinye izinga. Ngizokhumbula ukuthi emavikini adlule bekukhona ama-interviews eParliament labo interview khona abantu abazoba ama-board members we-NYDA yokuyi-National Youth Development Agency. Lapho Sihle Lonzi we-EFF expose khona angisengimkhohle igama lalo bhuti lo osebenze for 5 years as a senior researcher kodwa engena qualification ehola imali yokuba i-senior researcher. Uthe mabembuza ngalokho wathi bekuyi ubengene lapha ngepolitical deployment. Kungalo lelo suku uColin Malachi president we-ANC Youth League wakhuluma konke akuthandayo washo khona ukuthi i-EFF incompetent, i-corrupt, leadwa i-CIC corrupt. Washo khona ukuthi bazobavulela icase. Siyamkhumbula futhi uSihle Lonzi ethatha ixathu lokuya kwi-office le-public protector lapho khona evule khona icase. Wasuku Mbombela municipality nabo bakhipha incwadi esho ukuthi bazibophezele kwi-investigation yonke ukuthi bazosebenzisana kanye ne-public protector ukuze bakhiphe yonke information ngoba bafuna ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngendlela. Sanibonana ngisabingelelanga. Sizongena-ke kwivideo namhlanje bekune chaos eParliament ngoba uSihle Lonzi uthathe i-platform wayesekhuluma ngalolo daba lolo. So sizozwa ngoba abe-ANC ke ukhona uSister Phokwe Chauke ayimphathanga kahle lento ukuthi kukhulunywe ngabo noma sazi ukuthi iqiniso. Ngizokucaphunela ke leyo video ingakho ngiqale ngevideo engifake ngayo. Kodwa into engihlezi ngisho kubantu abalandela le channel bayazi ukuthi asenzeni isiqiniseko sokuthi ayikhiphi i-ANC emandleni. Next year sinethuba lokuyikhipha komasipala 2029 asiyikhiphi. Isisiphathile kwanele for 31 years. Manje bafuna ukusicindezela ngokukhuphula iVAT. Asibakhiphe emandleni sifaka abanye sibone bona futhi nabe sobafaka bazobe bazi ukuthi abantu base South Africa basinto okudlala. Uma ungawenza umsebenzi wakho bazokukhipha. Ngicela uzwe la ukuthi uSihle Lonzi utheni.
This process was more than just about exposing corruption. This process is about the youth of South Africa, the unemployed hustlers and survivors, the youth that roams our streets with graduation gowns, the unemployed doctors, the bottle girls, the youth drowning in drugs, alcohol and depression. Many of them have stopped looking for jobs. They have stopped being creative and innovative because their creativity is ignored and their innovation is stolen by the same entity that is supposed to fund them. These are young people, not just statistics. They are human beings full of hope, full of dreams and full of potential. It is a lie that they are lazy. Majority of them work very hard. They study very hard and they have the necessary skills and competence. But you ignore them because they are not politically connected. They don't call you leadership. They don't wake up in the morning to defend your shenanigans. They don't carry your water. They don't fetch your ice. They don't sleep with you for employment and positions in government entities. Now we're going to give the new board members very clear and simple advice.
Njengoba uSihle Lonzi umuzwe echazela ukuthi le process eyenzekile eNYDA ayi-exposanga kuphela i-corruption kodwa iveze nokuthi kungani eNYDA ikhona kodwa i-youth yase-South Africa ingasizakali. Kube ne-youth eningi ehlele emakhoneni ehlele ngena bese kugcina kuba sengathi i-youth yase-South Africa ilazy ngoba ayikho politically connected. Abanye abavumanga ukulala nabanye ukuze bathole imisebenzi. Ukuchaze nje kwakuningi ngoba imikhuba eyenzeka khona. Uthi bakhona abantu abanama qualifications bahlele ekhaya ikhundla zabo efanele bangene kuzo kufakwa abantu ngoba be connected political ababiza abanye ngo leadership. Manje uncoma ke le process enzekile ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ukuthi ibe live lama interviews baza abantu futhi uncoma nokuthi kulokhu abantu abazongena as board member NYDA abantu abazokwazi abaqualifyayo kokuqala okufanele babe khona abangenanga ngokuba connected politically ilento efunakalayo. So manje uthi ukhipha iadvice kuma board members la wakhethiwe uzobapha nazo izinto ezu5 afisa ukuthi bazilandele izosuka ke chaos emveni kwala ngicela ulalela.
Number one, it must remove all offices of the NYDA in inaccessible suburbs and take it to the township and the rural areas. Two, they must streamline NYDA processes, reduce the bureaucracy and make it easy for young people to access funding. Three, they must strengthen partnership with other government departments and non-government organizations to increase internship, job and entrepreneurial opportunities. Four, they must enhance the transparency and accountability by regularly publishing impact reports because no one knows what the NYDA does in South Africa. Five, they must review all salaries because at some point the NYDA was paying more than 50% of its budget on salaries. That is irresponsible and financially unsustainable. We hope that we've made it clear to you that no matter how powerful you think you are, the EFF will hold you accountable. The NYDA does not belong to the ANC. The NYDA does not belong to the ANC Youth League. It belongs to all the young people of South Africa. The days of impunity are over. The days of corruption are over. The days of eating alone while young people die from hunger are over. We have kicked the table and we are going to continue to kick it as long as we sit alone in the dinner table. The NYDA belongs to all South Africans, not the cronies of the ANC. Thank you.
Additionally,
Usezibaluleke izinto afisa ukuthi NYDA izenze kodwa engibone kuhamba phambili ukuthi abawa streame ama programs we NYDA sikwazi sonke njengama member community ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okunye futhi akubalulile ukuthi abenze ukuthi iprocess ukuze kuthi abantu bathole funding ayibe lula ukuze iyouth eningi izokwazi ukuaccess funding through NYDA futhi isebenzisane namanye ama government entities ukubambisana ukuze ithathe NYDA ise phambili. Ngicabanga ukuthi into eshowe EFF la ibalekile kodwa akuvezile ukuthi kulokhu sekufika isikhathi sokuthi kwazi ukuthi NYDA I belong ku ANC, NYDA I belong ANC Youth League, youth yonke yase South Africa. Isikhathi sokuthi abantu badle bodwa while youth yase South Africa isokole sesiphelile. Ilokhu okukhulunywa usihlelonzi la. Ilokhu ke kuningi kakhulu akushilo kodwa ilokhu kwenza ukuthi bacasuka be-ANC. Ngizodedela manje ANC akhuluma angifuni ukubambelela mina. Ukuthi njengoba phela umthetho ka YouTube awuvumi ukuthi ngidlala ivideo okungesiye yami bese ngiyathula ingakho fanele ngingenelele ngikhulume ngicela nje ukumdedela.
I would like to speak to Honorable Lonzi, who has made it a point in this house and during the proceeding of the Portfolio Committee order. To politicize the process. Honorable we must understand that this honorable member at the podium of young people. We cannot members order. Honorable Chauke, politics. Honorable Chauke, there is a point of order. At the expense of young people. Honorable Chauke, for young people. Honorable Chauke, please take your seat. For the emancipation empowerment of young people. Please take your seat, honorable member. There is a point of order. I first had one from the EFF. Yes, honorable member. What is your point of order? Honorable. Yes, yes, I hear you. What is your point of order?
Deputy Speaker, the member on the podium can't debate the individual member in the name of President Sihlelozi. He must debate the report. He's not going to finish his speech. We're going to put the President here.
Honorable member, that is not a point of order. We are busy with declarations and debate. Honorable Skosana, what is your point of order?
Yeah, can't tell us what to debate.
Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Speaker. I'm raising in terms of Rule 69. Grossly disorderly conduct. What honorable members of the EFF are doing is grossly disorderly conduct, Honorable
Thank
Deputy
you,
Speaker.
Honourable
They are drowning the speaker.
Osana. That is for the presiding officer to determine. We will now proceed. Honourable Chauke, you have 50 seconds left. Please proceed.
Thank you very much, Chairperson. And I do understand why the EFF members are aggravated. Honourable Lonzi, that stage resources are adequately allocated to young people who are deserving.
Okay, please take your seat. Honourable
Who are
Chauke,
unable to pay back
Honourable
the loan,
Chauke,
but
there's
also
point of
unable
order.
to finish his qualification and dropped out, leaving deserving
Honourable
people.
Yabona sithi sizulu iyathunukala nenxeba yilento eyenzeke lana kunokuthi a debate i-report elethwe uSihlelonzi u-attack uSihlelonzi straight lo sisi akasakhulumi ke ngoba manje uyabona ukuthi uSihlelonzi beka address ANC ngiyacabanga ukuthi abakayivezi lo part kodwa bazoyiveza ukuthi no honorable member ayinga direct ukukhuluma kwayo kumuntu oyedwa ayikhulume futhi yonke into ibhekise ku speaker kodwa nje uyabona ukuthi ithunukele ngempela nenxeba asimdedele futhi.
Yeah.
Deputy Speaker. Honourable Glakudi, you've had your hand raised. No. Yes, Honourable Member. Yes, Deputy Minister.
Thank you so much, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Arise.
Order, honourable members.
Order.
Honourable members, Honourable Deputy Minister, before you proceed, you expect other members to listen when you have a point of order, but you don't afford them the same courtesy. Please remain orderly, Honourable Deputy Minister.
Thank you so much, Honorable Deputy Speaker. I rise on a point of order in that the member is being howled. There's a lot of howling and it's drowning the member. That is against the rules. That's one. Secondary, it is so unfortunate that women on the other side of EFF are shouting and howling at a young woman on the podium that is supposed to make a point.
Honourable member,
And I
that
think
is-
they're out of order. It's shameful on them.
That is
Shame
not
on
a
you.
point of order, but the behaviour is unacceptable. Honourable members, you want other people to listen to you, but you are not prepared to do the same. We will now proceed. Honourable Chauke, please conclude your declaration.
Thank you very much. I emphasize that
My
Honourable Lonzi must go
apologies.
and pay back the NSFAS
Honourable
fee that-
Chauke, please take your chair. There is another point of order. The Honourable Mente.
Yes, Deputy Speaker. Deputy Speaker, we can't have a member
Order, Speaker. Order.
that are saying
Speaker, order.
Honourable members.
without addressing you. Anyone who's speaking to the House, they speak to you. But also, you can't take a point of debate and make it personal. Once you start attacking an individual
No.
call an individual by name, you are inviting
Honourable Mente. Honourable Member, that is not a point of order. I am warning you. I'm switching with your microphone. Honourable members, we will now proceed and finalise this debate. I'm not taking any more points of order. It is on the exact same issue. I have ruled, Honourable Tlangwini, I have ruled that the Honourable Speaker at the podium will now conclude. And there will not be further frivolous points of order. Honourable Chauke, please
She
conclude.
has 2 minutes to conclude.
Thank you. And I had wished that young people, we should not utilize platforms of this nature to come and berate each other, but I will withdraw, Honorable Lonzi, and respect you. Young people of South Africa, do not let cheap politics undermine you. Do not let them discourage you from putting yourself forward in leading youth development.
Honourable members,
It is your responsibility as young people to ensure that we are driving this country in the right direction. Now we have all the policies to guide us, and through your advocacy in the NYDA, a responsibility will be given upon you. And as members of the Portfolio Committee, we will work and walk side by side with you.
Honourable Speaker, you have 2 seconds left. Honourable Mente, there is a point of order.
Deputy Speaker, we can't allow a situation where people are giving conditional withdrawals. A person must withdraw out of order.
Honourable
We
Mente,
can't allow a conditional withdrawal. I'm now
withdrawing. Honourable members, I am now dealing with this matter.
Christmas of withdrawal. We'll never withdraw.
Honourable members, I did not instruct the Honourable Chauke to withdraw. She did that out of her own volition, and then she can put conditions. We will now proceed. Honourable Chauke, you have exactly 1
So we
second.
must be insulted. We are going to withdraw. Deputy Speaker,
As the African National Congress,
Speaker, please recognize
as the
me.
African National Congress, we hereby support the report and the recommendation of these candidates.
Honourable Chauke.
Expired.
Njengoba uzwileke kodwa ekugcineni ezi-ANC bayahambelana nereport elethiwe, bayahambelana, bayavumelana, bayabasupporta labantu abakhethiwe. Kodwa ke uzwile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho kulolu daba. Commenta, ushare, ulike, kodwa nje ukuphawula kwakho ngingakujabulela. Nanento yenziwe i-EFF. I-EFF nasiyincome kulokho yenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Kakhulukazi uSihlelonzi, kodwa ngeke phela sincome yena cause udeploywe i-EFF. Ulapha yawu representa i-EFF. Kubantu abavotela i-EFF hayi u9% wenu. Uyabonakala. EFF deserve more than just 9% ngendlela abasebenza ngayo. Ngizokusho lutho kokunye ngaphekwa lokho, kodwa nje ngingakusho nengizokusho futhi EFF it deserve more than just 9%. So njengoba ngithi asikhipheni ANC emandleni, amanye amaphesenti lapha ku-ANC awabuye ku-EFF ngoba kusiza ngani le corruption abayenzayo ayenzeki NYDA kuphela. Kuningi esingakukhuluma. Ngicela ukuma la, ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.